Vanakkam and hi, I'm Pallavi Iyengar. Tiramisu is such a creamy and rich dessert. It literally translates to pick me up in Italian, but it does take some time. So let's make a quick tiramisu. Take some cream cheese into the bowl. So what we are doing is we are essentially substituting mascarpone with some cream cheese. And I think that cream cheese has a very nice, delicate tartness which works really well in a tiramisu. What I'm going to do is we are going to put some condensed milk. So now the cream cheese is not sweetened and we want it to be slightly sweetened. So we add the condensed milk. You can also use caster sugar, but condensed milk adds a nice creamy texture to the filling. So I'm using an electric beater to beat the mixture. We're going to cream this till the mixture becomes light and slightly fluffy. So now this is looking good. So this is done. Now what I'm going to do is I have kept some whipped cream ready here. This is Soft Peak. Always ensure that you're using Soft Peak whipped cream because whenever you use overbeaten one, it will split and you want the mixture to be smooth and creamy and not, separated. So now we're just going to incorporate this gently. Always incorporate whipped cream. Never beat it because the air incorporated in the whipped cream would go flat. So I'm just going to mix it gently. As you can see, it's looking really nice. The cream cheese has added a really beautiful tinge to the mixture. So this is done. Now we get to the sponge layer. So I'm using eggless chocolate sponge. What you can do is you can also get these traditional Italian ladyfinger biscuits which goes in the tiramisu usually. So we're going ahead with some eggless chocolate sponge. So the cake is cut now. Now let's get to the layering. We just add a few of the chocolate pieces inside, chocolate cake pieces. Now what I have here is espresso. I'm just going to pour a little bit so that the chocolate cake absorbs the coffee flavor. So what I have here is a piping bag which is fitted with a star nozzle. And now all you do, take the mixture and you put it inside. And press it so that it's evenly filled and there are no air gaps. And ensure that you're not overfilling it because you need some space to hold as well. And now we start piping. So we start from the center, keep swirling it till the end. Beautiful. So we just press and pull. Looking very nice. Now the last but not the least, cocoa powder. I'm going to garnish it with some coffee beans. So there you go, quick tiramisu is ready. It's stress-free and it's easy. Do try this recipe and trust me, it's going to be a winner at your party.